How's it going?
Good.
Did you have watch a movie this week?
No.
No. You? Oh, that's great. That's good. So, what's the movie you watch? Did you watch? What kind of movie?
Oh, it was a drama, but I can't remember the name of it.
Okay. In today's movie, we can see a lot of computer effect in the movie, right?
Yes.
Some movies are even made completely by the computers. For example, the Frozen.
Yeah.
So, did you guys watch Frozen
Yes.
before?
Yes.
I think it's pretty famous, right?
Let it go.
Let it go, yes. That's great. So, have you ever imagined how it's be generated, how it's be drawn by the computer?
No.
So I guess you don't have any ideas about how the movie.
I have.
You have? Oh, maybe. But okay, please don't spoil. And so today we're gonna talk about the 3D computer graphics.
Wow.
And first, let me give you a definition of what is a 3D computer graphics. And the 3D computer graphics means using a series of 3D geometric data and put this data into computer and by through a series processing, then a 2D image will be shown in front of you. So. Oh, that's an important thing is that maybe I should write down the 3D computer graphic for you guys first. So, like I said before, there must be some transform before the 3D geometric data into 2D image, right? So we can say something like 3D data and into 2D image. That's a very important thing that behind that. This 2D image must be seems like real. To trick our brain, it's real. So, let me give you an example. How do we think about this image? It's actually a road.
Yeah.
But this road is ended in the far away side. So we can imagine the width of this road are the same across in the every position. However, this is a 2D image, right?
Yes.
How makes you think this is real for this road?
It has perspective.
Yes, it has perspective. Perspective means for this far side, it will be smaller.
Yes.
And in this close side or near side, it will be larger for our eyes. So this is a very important thing to trick our brain, think this is real. Good? So, this is a good example for what makes the image, what is make us think the image is real. So for the 3D computer graphics, they have three important phases to generate a 3D computer, to generate a 2D image. So let's write down. The first one is we need to have a 3D model. And the second thing is we need to lay out, which means put this 3D model into a specific position we want. And the animation. And the third one is render. So today we may focus on the 3D model. It depends on how many time I have. So before going to the 3D model, let me give you some basic math about 3D coordinate. Imagine we have a cube. Usually we will call it a 3D coordinate system. And in the 3D dimension world, we have 3 axes, which means the x-axis, y-axis, and the z-axis. Usually for this cube, how many points or how many vertices do we have? How many vertices we have in this cube?
What's a vertex?
Oh, vertex. Vertex in here is just means it's a point. It's just a point. What?
A point.
A point. Okay, great. Sorry, I saw you got time to correct me, but anyway, yes, that's you're correct. There's eight points here. And if assuming we have this cube, for example, this cube, which means the every edge or in this cube is the same. And assuming we have each edge in 1 unit, and this is the original point which we call it 0, 0, 0. This is the coordinate. So how about this point's coordinate?
1, 0, 0.
Is it x, y, z, the 0, 0, 0?
Oh, sorry. Yes, this means x. This is for the y-axis, and this is for the z-axis.
1, 0, 0.
Yes, this one should be 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. Great. So I guess you can. How about this point?
0, 1, 0.
Yes, this is 1. This one is 0, 1, 0. And how about this point?
1, 1, 1.
Do we have a
minus 1?
Yes. Great. Genius. So you guys have a basic knowledge about 3-dimensional coordinate. So can everybody tell me how many faces do we have in this cube? 6 faces. So in 3-dimensional world, we will use a terminology called the primitive. To describe this basic unit in the 3-dimensional world, which means in this world we will use triangle things as the basic unit or as the primitive things, because this is the basic shape in this system. As you can see, there's a 6 face in here, which we can draw it in. There's a bottom face, there's a right face. And here we also have the face here. And there's a so each face is actually a rectangle, right? We can easily divide this rectangle as 2 triangles, but we cannot further divide it into any other shape. So in 3D model things, we use the primitive, or we use the triangle as the basic unit, or as you can see.
I have a question.
Yes.
Why it has to be a triangle? Why?
Okay. Why is that there must be a triangle?
Because of
Triangle.
because of rules.
Triangles can
Triangle can.
form.
Say time, say better now. You can answer it though, what's the answer?
Oh,